Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today, look, a little bit of a kitchen hack for you. Right, here I've got a 1.5 kilo bowl blade roast, and I'll put that in the freezer for around about 4 hours, and we've got a nice bit of firmness to that. Now all we have to do now is get our nice sharp knife, just like that, and all we're going to do is slice this really nice and thin and make our own Yakiniku style beef. And this is a great little product that we can put into soups, quick stir fries, anything. Right, so being that little bit frozen, everything's nicely firmed up. All we have to do now is give those all a nice little bit of a slice. Now, by doing this yourself, you're going to save yourself at least $15 a kilo. Alright, now this particular piece of meat, 1.5 kilos, is around about $15 a kilo instead of like $30 odd, maybe $40 odd a kilo. Slice it up nice and fine. As you can see, we've done that right there, and all we have to do now is measure it and bag it. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is just measure those out into 500 gram little tubs like that. Mrs. KP is going to put those into a freezer lock bag, put those in the freezer, marked of course with date and sizes, just like that, and before you know it, we can make up an amazing amount of recipes. And that little piece of fat there, that is all we lost out of that big nice roast. Right, thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like this video, hit that like button because I told you to. Alright, don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Let them save some money too. Leave them a comment. I really love responding to them. You guys are great. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. In the meantime, I'm going to put that back into the freezer, and I will catch you next time. Bye.